You all right, Morgan?
Yeah.
Just tired?
No, just like my nose.
Oh. Hey, we're not even halfway over. Don't waste the battery, honey. Well, we gotta wait for the battery. We'll record until the battery dies down.
Why are we recording?
Morgan is our source of comedic pleasure in this. All right, here she comes, the world-class Olympic skater, Morgana Svetlana.
Where the heck do you get that sentence from?
And her coach, Ariana Badinsky. Okay.
Morgan, watch me.
It'll help if you two speak in foreign languages, or at least an accent. There you go. All right. So it's Fifi and Trixie. Le Bouffe.
Yeah, vous.
What?
I got printed Wheeler.
Oh. Yeah.
You not you. If I can.
Oh. All right, go like the wind, Bullseye.
Me?
Yeah, you. Yeah, fast you can. I'll time you. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's funny, she's not getting any further, though, even though she's skating fast. All right, you got 20 seconds to get to me.
Twin.
1, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 46. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Let's get a shot of that. Morgan goes down.
Oh, almost. Yeah, Morgan goes down.
Oh, yeah, hop around on skates. There she goes. Look at that fancy footwork, ladies and gentlemen. It's a sideways, triple Dumbledore. Hang on. Let's see how she gets out of it. Oh, Jesus. Very good. And now for your fancy feats. Ta-da! I think that's a 9.8. All right, now you two take turns filming each other.
Where are you going?
I'm just going to rest my arm.